Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Mike, Project Michael's Charger. Today we are going to go out and finish something that I was supposed to finish probably about a month ago, and that is my dash speakers. And hopefully this is the part that we need for these speakers, because technically they still play, but they're blown. You can tell that they're blown. They sound like crap. So I want to get out there. It's cooled down. Weather in Virginia's been acting funny, so like I said, it's just it's cooled down now. I'm gonna go out there, change these two out. See if I can get some footage of it playing. Before and after. You guys probably won't be able to tell the difference because I won't be able to play it that long because, copyright stuff and, so on and stuff like that. So, but I'll be able to tell the difference, and I'll be able to say, hey, these little tweeters are good, or these tweeters ain't not so good. So let's go out to the car and get started. All right, again, so just so y'all know, these are the tweeters I got. So got those, and I've already took apart the side pillars and took that out. Got upset, so I didn't finish it because I had the wrong piece. So hopefully this will be the right one. And then I gotta put the pillars on there and reroute this wire for the Diablo. So yeah. Now let's go ahead and let's see. Before we even go ahead, look, this is the tool I got. Really all you need. Once you just put it in there. There we go. And it's already loose. So simple, easy. Just simple, easy to do. And then I'll pull these out and put the new ones in. So, all right, so that's how the old tweeter looks. And I'm not gonna pull the new one out of the box yet, because the most important thing is this piece right here. Will this piece fit into here? And honestly, it looks like it, but I gotta clip that off, clip this in here, and see if it fits. If this whole job is pointless if this doesn't connect into that, right? So please, when you're looking, I got these off Amazon. So look, I've got a couple of times it said tweeters, but they weren't tweeters. They're the ones for the regular door. So yeah, so I got these off Amazon like I always do. And now let's take this speaker off, connect this, and let's see how if it works. All right, y'all, so boom, there it goes. It fits, clipped right in there. So now I know that works. Now I can hook the speaker up to the end part here and get some play. I should have got some footage of the music playing, but I don't want to get copyrighted, so just trust and believe these speakers are blown out. All right, y'all, so that's how the wires go. This is like the bigger piece, so let's get close in on that. Yeah, there you go. So then there's like a smaller one that goes in on there. Be careful, because you can possibly tear that up, and you don't want to do that, but go ahead and get a good look at those. And then let's get a look at the stock ones. And yeah, yeah, I mean, I don't know how long these have been in, but if these are really the stock ones, they've been in the car since 2005. So I guess you can say they lasted maybe a good 15 years, maybe 14 years, something like that. All right, so now let's go ahead, put this in the hole and secure it and get some. We'll switch out the other one and get the beats going. All right, y'all, so with every project, nothing is perfect, but I mean, kind of fix it. This one right here kept slipping off, so I had to force it down onto the piece. So now, excuse me, it's all hooked up. Now it's just time to take the old one out right here, like so, since I already have it, undid. Can I get some footage of that, please? Yes, you can. Simple to take this out. It's just this little white clip right here. You know, I can see it. Just stick finger screwdriver in there. All right. So push that in there. Literally just comes out simple. And you make sure these are lined up right. All right, hold on, what's going on? Why you now you don't want to go in there? All right, oh wow, now this one doesn't want to go in. Oh my gosh. With every project, there's always something that can go wrong. Always remember that. Hold on. All right, so the piece that, the little white piece, the prongs inside had to lift them up, so it slid in. I don't know if you can see that. Oh, my bad. So there it is right there. And let me fix my camera and everything around. I'll put it in there and play some jams. All right, ladies and gentlemen, they are in there. No, quick, simple, easy upgrade. A lot of people don't want to mess with it. I really don't want to mess with it because of the A-pillars and that. This cover that goes right here. But now, I don't know if the cover that goes right here is gonna fit, because the tweeter, you know, that pokes out, and I don't know if that's gonna go over it. So I might have to either cut that piece out or just, I mean, I can't leave it off. That looks kind of tacky. And I do need to put my car back together. And this, I have to put this piece back on before I put the A-pillars back on. So yeah, that's it, man. It's in there, it's installed. You know, my Diablo, yay, blue lights. Give you guys a little, yep. I don't need to be recording though. So, but yeah, so my car is kind of dirty, but the speaker upgrade is complete. Now all I have to do is get one, I think it's 8-inch sub for the back, and I will have done a full system swap, and hopefully that'll be it. I don't need that much music in here, at least bumping wise, because, you know, yeah. So like I said, speakers are in there, and we're about to head inside, and I'm gonna talk to you guys about what's coming up. Whew. All right, so back inside, and we're gonna go ahead, and first and foremost, I have to thank each and every one of you guys for watching these videos. For the people that have subscribed to the channel, I really appreciate it. coming up, as you can see, there's the front piece to the yeah, where that goes. So like I said, I don't know if that's gonna fit. I might have to cut where the little circle for the speaker is right there. I might have to cut that. I really don't want to, but I might have to. I don't know yet. I'll look at it when I get a chance. So coming up, basically, it seems like a lot of you guys that watch my videos, subscribed, and follow me on YouTube and even in that Facebook group, you guys are waiting for the steering wheel. I am too. I'm waiting. I want to put that bad boy in there, but I don't have an airbag. I've been looking for airbags, and I can't find an airbag less than $500. Some of y'all, that might be like, oh, 500 bucks, man. That's 500 bucks. Unfortunately, I can't. You know, taking care of my kids and, you know, working, house and all that stuff. Oops. Yes, I am looking to buy a house. So financially, a lot of resources are going out to me looking to buy a house soon. So that's a lot too of why I kind of cooled it on the channel a little bit. I do have a lot of stuff here that I need to put on, obviously. And like I said, if I can get a steering wheel for around $350, $350, man, I might even say $4. I'll see what I can do, but until I can get an airbag, I can't put that steering wheel in. And I know it's frustrating because I want it in there too. But the last thing I need is to get in a wreck without just putting the steering wheel in there, getting in a wreck. And the worst come to worst, then I got one of my family members at my funeral talking about, well, dumbass will still be alive if he just had an airbag in there. So yeah, that's it, man. Like I said, that's really it. And you know, the headers, I gotta find a shop really that can put these on. Like I said, my buddy, he started his own little business, so I'm sure he wouldn't mind if I hit him up early, but if he's got a big time job that's gonna bring him some cash, especially more cash than I'm gonna give him to do something or help me out with something, he's gonna, anybody would be like, well, you're gonna give me chump change, stuff that I can probably use for lunch through the week, but this stuff that I got over here is gonna help feed my family for a couple months, take care of a whole bunch of bills and all that stuff. So you gotta understand that, you gotta respect that. So I am looking to look for a shop or something. I need to get 2 high flow cats. That's another reason why. And I don't have my my X pipe. So those are 2 reasons why I haven't. I thought about it, and I was about to shoot my load off and get 2 mufflers, but I didn't do it because I got some legal stuff going on this month where your boy might have to disappear for 10 days. So yeah, I got a lot of stuff going on, and Christmas and all that stuff, and I'm transferring. I'm going back to the ship in February, so that's gonna suck. So I won't be able to do a lot of stuff that I'm doing right now. I wish I took advantage of this more, but COVID kind of did happen and screwed everybody over. So yeah, I'm blaming this on COVID because some of this stuff I probably could already had done, but yeah, COVID. So no, like I said, I do have some stuff coming to the channel. Airbag, I'm aggressively looking. I'm gonna talk. I know there's this guy on Instagram. I'm gonna talk to him. Fingers crossed that he would, hear me out and sell me an airbag for the cheap, so I can put that in there and have the new steering wheel looking good in there. I still need to put the gauges on there for the gauge clusters. I need to still put those in there. So yeah, I mean, it's coming. It's just coming real slow because now the holidays are coming up, you know. And I ain't gonna lie, I need that new Xbox, so gotta set some money to the side for that. So that could have been some car parts. Probably could have been a hood, but gotta get that Xbox, man. I need my Xbox. So with that being said, you know, please like and subscribe. Thank you guys for following. I know it wasn't a full in-depth look at how you take this thing apart. Like I said, I had the footage. I got frustrated, so I deleted it all. And then when I went back and looked, like, yo, I can add this to what I'm about to do today. I wasn't even gonna talk for like I am right now. But yeah, so that's what's coming to the channel. Be patient with me, please. Be patient with me. It's coming. As much as you guys want to see it, I want to put it in there. But you know, I'm doing what I can financially, and what financially makes sense. Sometimes some things don't make sense at that point in time. So yeah, maybe I should start a Patreon. You guys hook your boy up with a couple of dollars here and there. Damn, I'm ugly. Anyways, please like and subscribe to the video, to the channel. The link for the wires that I used for these tweeters will be in the description below. I know a lot of people like always hit me up and ask me, hey, where'd you get it? Where'd you get this part? It's in the description below, like right there, right in there. Okay. I even linked the tweeters in there as well. So I mean, if you guys like what you see, they sound good. They do sound good. For those who do speaker systems, I'm pretty sure you might say, hey, don't get that. Don't get those connector pieces. Just don't get those and just get it soldered. It's probably better. I'm not arguing with you because it probably is. So, but if you are on a budget, like moi, don't want to really cut the wires to that. Don't want to have to, every time it messes up, have to get it soldered and all that stuff. You can do it this way. Hey, you can get it soldered as well. This is just my way of doing it for now. If it turns out that it's horrible, I will be taking it to the shop, letting them solder it. And I probably do need to change out all the wires. Not all the wires, but no. Because I'm gonna put like I said, I'm gonna put an 8-inch sub back there as well. So yeah. So that's it, man. Like I said, thank you guys for watching the channel. If you guys stuck along to hear me ramble for almost 9 minutes, hey, I really appreciate it. Check out the other videos. Hit me up on Instagram. You guys will see me around in the Facebook group chat, you know, talking sometimes. I'll be wrong. I'm not a professional, so I'm not an expert at car stuff. I'm learning as I go. I see some of you guys, the stuff that you guys talk about, and I look at that too. I ain't gonna lie, I've been looking at some of y'all cars, and I've been taking y'all pictures, stealing ideas from y'all. So I mean, that's part of being in the community, y'all, and I appreciate y'all for all y'all hard work. Everybody that's cars looks way better than mine. I appreciate it because look, I'm looking at y'all ideas. So until next time, peace out, everybody. Stay blessed.